morning, guys. Saving with Shay. I'm here for CVS. I had a family thing going on yesterday, so pretty much all the morning I was doing offer ups, and then the rest of the day was a family affair. And so I'm here today for CVS. So I have a few deals I'm gonna share with you. I'm gonna try to make this video really quick because literally, guys, I told y'all I just really want to do what's gonna be free. Our moneymaker, our small cost, very small cost, because yeah, your girl has a house full of stockpile stuff, and so I don't want to be paying for stuff. So I have 1, 2, 3, 4, maybe 5 deals to share with you guys today. I only have a handful, well, a couple coupons to be honest. I have 2 coupons, and then I have another one I'm gonna see what I can do with. And so but if you're new here, this is your first time joining, I am Shay. Definitely make sure you subscribe. Make sure you also smash like button. Support your girl. And so without further ado, we're going to head in here and see what kind of deals we can grab. If you want to see what your girl got, keep on watching.
Okay, guys. So the first deal that we're going to grab is going to be on the Colgate toothpaste. My store is cleared out of the cheaper ones. The optic whites that are priced at $4.69. So the next best one is going to be the Max Freshes, which are priced at $5.19. All right, it's on promotion. It's buy 2 get back 4, limit of 2. And so for this, we're going to go ahead and we're going to grab 2 of these priced at $5.19. That total is going to come to $10.38. And then we do have 4 off of 2 digitals that are attaching right there. All right, that's going to bring the total down to you paying $2.38. Then you're going to get back the $4 in extra care bucks, making them both free plus $1.62 money maker. All right, this next deal is on the Colgate mouthwash. I really wanted this deal. I prefer to get mouthwash now only because I don't have any in my stockpile. And so this store is out of them. So for this deal, you would grab 2 of them priced at $5.59. It's buy 2 get back 3. So 2 of them is going to cost $11.18, and then for this we have 4 off of 2 digitals as well that's attaching, which will bring the total down to you paying $3.18 and then getting back 3, making them only 9 cents each, you guys. So since my store is out of the mouthwash, we're gonna go ahead and grab the toothbrushes. They don't have a lot left, but enough to make a deal work. So they have the Colgate 360 Clean right here, priced at $5.19, buy 2 get back 3. So we're going to grab a total of 2 of them. That total is going to come to $10.38. And then for that, we also have 2 $4 off of 2 digitals as well that is attaching. Now that'll bring your total down to you paying $2.38, getting back 3, making them both free plus a 62-cent money. So I do have a 3 off of 18 CRT, which is right there. So I'm going to go ahead and grab all 4 of these items on one receipt. The total is going to come to $20.76. We'll use a 3 off of 18 CRT. We have 2 4 off 2 off of the toothbrushes and 2 4 off 2 on the toothpaste. That'll bring your total down to $176 out of pocket. We'll be getting back 4 for the toothpaste and 3 for the toothbrushes, making it all 4 free plus a $5.24 money. Okay, so if you don't have the 3 off of 18, but you actually have a 5 off of 30 Colgate CRT, then you want to grab 6 products, 4 toothpaste, 2 toothbrush. Your total is going to come to $31.14. Use your 5 off 30 CRT. Use the 4 off 2 digitals, paying $10.14 out of pocket, but you'll get back 8 for the toothpaste and 3 for the toothbrushes, which is 11, making all of them free plus an 86-cent moneymaker. So not as great a deal as if you have a 3 off 18, but it's still going to be free plus a moneymaker, which is definitely not bad. Alright, so this next is going to be on the Sheck razors. It is on sale for $7.99. It's been $15, get back 5. I feel like it's been a minute since we've gotten free razors at CVS. And so for this, I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to grab 2 of them. The total is going to come to $15.98. Again, I have a 3 off of 15 CRT I'm going to use. I'm also going to be using the 4 off of 1 digital right there as well, that I'm going to be stacking with the 4 off of 1 coupon from coupons.com. All right, that'll bring the total down to paying $4.98 out of pocket, but we're gonna get back 5 in extra care bucks, making them both free plus a 2-cent. If you happen to have the 6 off of 30 check CRT for men, then this is an option for you. It won't be free, but it's still not a bad deal if it's something that you use. And so we're gonna grab a total of 4 of these, priced at $7.99. That total is gonna come to $31.96. And then for coupons, I'll be using a 6 off of 30 CRT right there, 4 off of 1 digital, and then I'll be using 3 of the printables for 4 off of 1. And that total is going to come down to you paying $9.96 out of pocket, but you'll get back the 5, bringing them down to $1.24 each, which is not bad. So that worked out perfect. There goes the razors at the top. There goes the Colgate. And then I used one $4 coupon on the razor. There goes all our digitals, like they all apply. There goes my CRTs for the Colgate, the Skintimate. I wrote $5 in extra care bucks, paid $184 subtotal, so $684 out of pocket. And we got back 4 for the toothpaste, 5 for the razors, 3 for the toothbrushes. So it makes everything that I got on this first transaction a $5.16 moneymaker. I paid $384 and I got back 12. So awesome. Okay, so this next deal is gonna be on the Eucerin. It is spend 20, get back 10. I'm gonna grab the little 5-ounce ones here, priced at $7.29. I'll be grabbing 3 of them. I already have them in my cart. All 3 is gonna come to $21.87. And then for coupons, I'll be using the $3 coupons right here from Inserts. I also have a 5 off 20 lotion CRT as well that I'll be using. That's gonna be the total down to you paying $7.87 out of pocket, getting back the 10, making them all free plus a $2.13 moneymaker. Alright guys, so this next deal I'm gonna be grabbing is on the Good Measure. I was so stoked they finally have it. I feel like I was stalking all last week trying to find it because it's $6 back on Swagbucks, My Points Inbox Art to Da. And with CVS sending me that $2 extra care buck, I wanted to stack it with it. I'm so happy I waited because now they're on sale for $5.99. You're gonna grab a 1. I'll be using that $2 extra care book they sent me for free. I'll pay 4, get back 6 right there on Swagbucks. It does expire on the 9th, so better do it quick. And so it's gonna make this a $2 moneymaker. And so definitely real quick. I decided to do this deal again. Although I don't have the 3 off of 18 on this card, I think I have the 6 off of 5 off 20 or 5 off 30. But rather than try to spend 30, just to make it an 86-cent moneymaker, I want to say, I'm just gonna go ahead and just grab the 4 again. I'm on the paying $4.76 after the digitals and getting back 7, so it'll still be like a $2.24 moneymaker. So it's still an awesome deal even if you don't have that 3 off of 18 CRT. And so yeah, so that worked out pretty good too. I had to add a filler, which is there at the top, in order to use all of the extra care bucks that I had. So there goes the Good Measures bars. There goes the Colgate. There goes the Eucerin. All the coupons that I used today, all scanned. All the digitals that needed to apply, applied. There was a CRT off the lotion. I'm not going to count the filler, so the total would be $18.62. And then we got back 4 for the toothpaste, 10 for the Eucerin, and 3 for the for the toothbrushes. And then once I submit my receipt for the Good Measure on Swagbucks, I'll also get back 6 on there as well. So getting back how much? Getting back 17 in extra care bucks and 6 on Swagbucks will make it a $4.38. Yes, it's on Shopmium as well as Alexa, which is awesome. So you guys know with Shopmium, you have to submit there first, wait for your receipt to clear, and then submit to the other apps. That's if you're having problems getting the offer on Shopmium. And so yeah, so that's actually going to be paying $4 for that and then getting back like 18. That's an awesome deal. So definitely happy I found that. So yeah, so here is our complete haul for today. Everything worked out so awesome. Like, I have so many receipts, y'all. Look, I got like 10 receipts. I was really trying to do the Good Measures on separate receipts because I figured it would process faster, but no, all of them went into review for everything. Swagbucks, My Points, Inbox, and stock. I went ahead and just did the Good Measure again because I figured it was a good way to convert since they're on sale for $5.99, it was a good way to convert extra care bucks into cash. So if that's something you want to do, I think that's an awesome deal. This is a great week to do that. Only thing is, again, that rebate does expire today. So I grabbed a total of 5 of them all together, and one of them I submitted to Shopmium and Alexa, and the other ones I submitted to Swagbucks, My Points Inbox, and to Da. All right, I probably could have grabbed another one and went ahead and submitted 1 receipt to each one, but I went ahead and just did it this way because I couldn't find any more. And so I think, again, that's a great deal if you want to convert extra care bucks into cash. Now, I have a tip for you guys really quick. When you're doing the same deal and you're doing multiple times so that you can submit it on Swagbucks, My Points Inbox, and ta-da. I don't know at what point they added this to their app, y'all, but I love it. Okay, so normally what I do when I'm doing multiple transactions like this, I'll always put at the bottom of the receipt where I submitted that receipt to. Swagbucks, My Points, Inbox, whatever. Just so that way if something happens and it goes into review and it takes a little long and I have to actually submit a ticket, and how can I retrieve the receipt if I may not have it anymore? And so that way I always know which receipt went to which one, and I'm not like just guessing, which is what I've done before. So they add this to their app, right? So on the app, you're going to click activity, and then you're going to click the transaction that you are in question about. Click the little down arrow, and it'll say view receipt, you guys. I don't know when they added that. I noticed it a couple weeks ago, but I keep forgetting to mention to you guys just in case you might need that. But yeah, you can always click that, view your receipt. If they are asking you for a copy of a receipt again, you can actually view it, screenshot it, and send it to them. So just a tip as far as that. But yeah, those receipts all went into review. What else? Everything else worked out really good. I did find mouthwash, which is what I really needed because I have none in my stock. I think I have like 1 bottle, maybe 2. And so I was happy to find more of that. I did the Eucerin twice. The second time I did it though, that store was priced a little higher. And so it was only like a 3-cent moneymaker, but free is free and free is for me. So I was like, okay, I'm gonna still do the deal. And that was a great deal on the Eucerin. Other than that, that's basically it. So everything you see here retails $218.15. I had $138 in coupons, CRTs, and digitals, which brought the out of pocket down to $80.15. And then we walk away with $65 in extra care bucks, and then $6 from Swagbucks, My Points, Inbox, ta-da, Alexa, and Shopmium. All right, so $36 back from that. So we walk away with a total of $101 between rebates and extra care bucks, making everything you see here free plus a $20.85 money maker, you guys, which is awesome. So we made almost $21 for this, which is not bad at all. The tax for this was $14.32. So even after tax, we still make a little bit, which is great, right? Great. If we can make a little bit of money after tax, that's sweet. I'm cool. All right. Because a lot of times we have money makers, but when you factor in that tax, it just be like, look, it's not really that much of a money maker. But it's good when you can still make money after tax. And so other than that, if you got to this point in the video, I want to see, since we got a bunch of oral care stuff here, I want to see some teeth. Is there a tooth emoji? Or maybe the emoji that's smiling, showing all his teeth, if you can't find a teeth emoji. So if you got to this point in the video, you guys, I want to see some teeth in the comments. Other than that, I hope you guys are having the most amazing day, night, whenever you're watching, wherever you're watching from. And I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching. Bye, guys.